Lovelies, welcome to our channel F Varieties. Today we want to travel somewhere in Ghana. Where do you think we are going? You already know my host, my co-host.
Today we are taking a U-turn straight to the western region, to the Nzema land.
Ooh!
We are going to the Nzema land.
This is very adventurous.
Yeah, very. We are going to taste their prekele,
wow.
the African traditional food in Nzema. You know, we are going to try it today.
All right. So we are going straight to Cooking with Sindaco. Yes. So let's watch the video.
Je suis parler French.
J'ai vu un petit à manger placardine, un piment bien pimenté, un poisson APF. J'ai vu un petit venir manger aussi.
Applaudissez.
Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? This is your boy Cooking with Sindaco and I'm back again. Yes, I'm still in Western Region, Westside Legacy or Koro, and I find myself in Tukobo number 1 in the Jomo district. Man, over here too, they have an amazing recipe for the locals over here and it's called prakele. Man, it's a cassava food and it's made like a banku. It's a top classic food for the Nzema people and it can be served with hot pepper and fish and also stew and soup as well.
Okay, you know, prakele is traditional local food made in Ghana, precisely in Nzema. You know, they use the raw cassava dough, as some tribes do mix it with a corn dough, but they use the raw cassava dough and smoked fish.
The way you are talking, have you been to Nzema for this is the first time?
Maybe I could be there, maybe I was a kid, but I don't remember.
Oh,
but I could be there, you know. I have traveled around Ghana. So.
Hey, that's my boy.
Wow, I've traveled a lot, you know.
So what's your take on the food?
Okay.
The way they prepared it.
Okay, you know, it's locally made, African locally made dish, you know, but you know there should be at least a little bit of veggies. You know, we are stressing on the veggies aspect of our
but
channel,
it's a cultural food, so traditional food. So look at it. Yeah, are you saying it's not healthy because they have tomatoes in there, they have onion, and
they have it all
fish.
right. Yeah.
So don't you think it's a balanced diet?
It's a balanced diet, but if it was me, you know, I can even slice a green pepper instead of the onion.
Where will you get the green pepper?
Oh, green pepper is locally made, so why wouldn't we get green pepper? You know, they can also slice.
Is it the paposhito, habanero pepper, or what?
The big one, you know.
Oh, it's not. In the villages, you don't get this.
But they went to buy the things in the market. You know, they should have bought it.
Okay, but you know, it's a village something. It's a traditional something, and I know you love workplan and taddy. Which
I like
means the same way they grinded the this thing. That's what you take.
You know,
so what
I
are you
love
saying?
it a lot. You know, me when I do it, you know, I at times slice the green pepper I'm talking about. So that's what I'm suggesting. Yeah, but all the same Cooking with Sindaco, you did well. It's great food. You know, African raw made. You know, there's nothing wrong with that. But it's my suggestion though. I'm not saying anything against it.
So this is some of our traditional food. That's how we prepare it in Ghana, and the Nzema, that is what they prepared. So we have already been told that it's made of cassava and it is very yummy. When they were eating, let's check the video again. See how they are eating and enjoying.
Wow, it's very yummy, very tasty. You know.
All right. So did you notice any bad thing about the whole thing?
My problem is still with the rubber polythene. You know? I could see, you know, the first round, you know, they used the herbs, the leaves to at least cover the.
When she was plating it, she put the first one into leaves, and that was 100 plus for me. Yeah. Because that is.
But my question is, before these rubber polythenes, what were our great grandparents using before?
When you were growing, what did you notice? Were you eating in rubber?
No, I wasn't. That's why I was
so
like.
So what were you using?
I know we normally use this thing like how do you say it here? We use the home bowls.
Earthenware pots.
Yeah, this thing, the ceramics.
Asaka,
Yeah, ceramics. Yeah, these things. That's what we normally use. And
So who brought about all these things?
that's the question. There's a question mark there.
So do you think this is going to end? It's not going to end soon.
But we should
But
try and
anybody
practice
who is
the use
used-
of the leaves. You know, it's very important.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
this petroleum, this thing, chemicals. You know, it's killing us slowly. You know, we have to be healthy. You know, we need to stay strong and be healthy.
So we are advocating for them changing their ways, living a healthy lifestyle. But if they refuse, they are on their own. Or what do you think?
Oh yeah, you know, everybody has his or her own choices. You know.
So Sindaco, if you can help us while going around, you can also educate them
on
that's fine. After enjoying their sumptuous meal, you educate them that no, the polythene wrappers are not good for us.
You know, there are even some special meals, African meals, that they normally use the leaves for it. There are so many African foods that they use the leaves to wrap it, and it's very nice. You know?
Yeah. So that was also, you know, I hate that so much, and I've been talking about this for some time now, but it seems everybody is doing it. So the other time I was having a discussion with someone, and she said she saw this on YouTube, and that is why she have adapted her lifestyle to it. So it means before these things can be removed out from every home, almost every home, then
there
the
should be intense
content,
education.
yes, intense education by the content creators.
Mm-hmm.
So that, fine, we are not saying the polythene bag, they should not buy it.
Nah.
It has other uses.
Yeah, sure.
You use, when you go to the market, they wrap things in it, it's perfect, it's good.
But when the thing is cooked, it's hot.
Yeah.
That's our problem.
Yeah.
When the thing is cooked hot, you should try and
hot
adapt to
foods,
the hot foods. Yeah.
And did you notice that even after plating it, after putting it in the polythene, they were still eating from the polythene. They
should have removed it from the polythene and placed it in a bowl or in a ceramic plate.
Yeah,
of
viewers.
their choice. Yeah.
What's your take on it? Let us know in the comment section how we are going to combat this hazard that is all over us. Yes, let's share your please share your thoughts and let's know your take on that. So Lovelies, this is where we are ending this video, or
I'm even exhausted.
yeah. So thank you, viewers, and then we thank all of you. Those who don't have Sindaco, he's a very nice guy, going
nice
all
gentleman.
over. Yeah,
very hardworking, very adventurous.
Yeah, traveling all over with all
very
the reach.
adventurous.
So just go to his channel and support him, and then you learn more about our country, Ghana. It's a very peaceful country.
Very beautiful environment,
so
and very beautiful climate.
Lovelies. So we'll see you in another video. Please stay healthy and let's stop using the polythene and the plastic for hot food.
Always try to exercise. It's important.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Lovely viewers.